Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss Fourier transform, which is asked in GATE 2017 to GATE 2020. Okay. Now let's start first question. First question is a continuous time signal xt is equal to 4 cos 200 pi t plus 8 cos 400 pi t, where t is in seconds, in the input to linear time invariant LTI filter with the impulse response. Impulse response is given ht is equal to 2 sin 300 pi t upon pi t. T not is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0 is 600. Okay. Let yt be output of this filter. The maximum value of yt is, we have to find out the maximum value of yt. And so first of all, what is the impulse response of the transfer function? We have to draw it. Okay. So now draw it. ht is given 2 sin 300 pi t upon pi t. In previous video, I have discussed about the Fourier transform of these signals. Okay. Let us consider sin 8t upon pi t. We have to pi t. So then the Fourier transform will be we can say that this one. Okay, minus a to a and 1. So similar way we can draw ht is equal to 2 sin 300 pi t upon pi t. Fourier transform hf is equal to magnitude 2 and this one minus 300 pi to 300 pi. It will be the same. Okay. So now check it. What is the xt is given? Your input is given. xt is given 4 cos 200 pi t plus 8 cos 400 pi t. When you take the Fourier transform, this one will becomes the impulse response, like impulse response or del something 200 pi, and this one is the 200 pi plus and then 200 pi minus, and this one is comes from the 400 pi minus 400 plus. So then 400 pi will be the outside of the this one. Okay. Then it will be the not comes inside the filter. This one come inside the filter, so this signal will be passed, because when you take the impulse Fourier transform, it will be like comes the del f minus 200 pi and f plus 200 pi. Like similar way, you will get pi del f minus 200 pi plus del f plus 200 pi. Okay. And its Fourier transform will be come pi something constant term or del f minus 400 pi plus del f plus 400 pi. So what will happen? This part signals will be come outside of the filter, and this one will be the inside the filter. When you take the convolution, so it will be the pass and it will be restrict. Okay. So yt will be 4 cos 200 pi t into, here is the multiplication 2 only. So 2. So because we know that yt is xt convolution of ht. So it will be the here in Laplace domain, Fourier transform domain, multiply the 8 cos 200 pi t, and maximum value, how much we will get the maximum value? Maximum value will be 8. So we have to find out the maximum value. Yt max will be 8 answer. This one is the fill in the blanks, so answer will be 8. Now comes to next question. Consider LTI system with magnitude response HF is equal to given 1 minus mod f upon 20, which is mod f less than 20 is defined, and it is 0 for mod f greater than 20, and phase response mod hf is equal to minus 2f. If the input to the system is xt is equal to 8 cos 20 pi t plus pi by 4 plus 16 sin 40 pi t plus pi by 8 plus 24 cos 80 pi t plus pi by 6, then the average power of the output signal hf. So solution. Magnitude 1 minus 20 plus 20, okay, hf. Now what will this one is the hf is given, and xt is given here, xt is given this one. So check it, which signal will be the pass. Here is given 20, and then what will happen? Only this one first part will be the pass through the this filter, because this one is the 40 pi t and 80 pi t will be comes the outside of the HF outside of the HF. So YT will be half of 8 cos 20 pi t plus pi by 4. So Yt will be 4 cos 20 pi t plus pi by 4, and power will be we know that power will be a square upon 2. So 4 square upon 2 and 16 upon 2, 8 watt. Now comes to next question. The input for sinks 2t is fed to a Hilbert transform to obtain Yt as shown in figure. Okay, here is the figure is mentioned, and here sinks x is equal to sin pi x upon pi x, and the value of accurate 2 decimal place mod Yt square dt is GATE 2000. This one asking GATE 2018 for 2 marks. Now comes to solution. Minus infinity to infinity mod Yt square dt is equal to minus infinity to infinity mod x t square dt. So minus infinity to infinity x mod square df. So xt is given 4 sin sinc 2t, okay, and sinc ct continuous time Fourier transform, it will be rectangular Fourier, okay. So 4 sinc 2t will be 4 by 2 rectangular, 2 is multiplication, is a frequency divided by f by 2. So minus infinity to infinity mod of x square df is equal to 2 upon 2 square is equal to 8. So minus infinity to infinity yt mod square dt is equal to 8 will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Okay, the x, this one is asking GATE 2020 for 2 marks. X omega is the Fourier transform of xt shown below. The value of minus infinity to infinity mod of x omega square d omega round up to decimal place. Okay, and this one is the very simple. According to Parseval's theorem, we know that minus infinity to infinity mod of x omega square d omega is equal to 2 pi minus infinity to infinity mod x t square dt square. So here is the graph given. Minus 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So minus infinity to infinity mod x omega mod square d omega is equal to 2 pi minus 1 to 3 x t mod square dt. Check it. Now here is given. So here is our graph is, see, check, when you take the only area under this curve means minus 1 to n and multiply by 2, then you will get the area of whole curve. Okay, so integration is nothing but area. So multiply 2 and 2 pi minus 1 to 1 x t mod square dt. So it will be the 4 pi and here will be minus 1 to 0 t plus 1 square dt plus 0 to 1 this graph, this one will be t plus 1 and this one is 2t plus 1 square dt and 0 to 1. Now calculate it. You will get 4 pi and integration minus 1 to 0 and t square plus 2t plus 1 dt plus 0 to 1 4t square plus 4t plus 1 dt. So here will be, you will get directly, we can say that, but you can calculate it 4 pi and here tq by 3 and limit tq by 3 plus 2t square by 2 plus t and put it limit minus 1 to 0 and plus here will be 4 tq by 3 plus 4 t square by 2 plus t limit 0 to 1 and after calculation we will get 56 pi by 3 and 58.64 will be the right answer. Now Fourier transform is completed from my side and solve it. Right way of study, right way of preparation of GATE through this channel is first take the question and try to solve it. Okay, if you are getting difficulty, then check its solution, and if you are getting to understand the solution, then comment it. I will reply your comment. Okay.